Bob Can Cut, and I'm back with another haircut tutorial for y'all today. Right here I got my clipper closed, and what I'm doing is start my first bald guideline. I don't do it with the trimmer because it sits in a harsh guideline and it makes it hard to get out. But what I'm doing is dropping it in the back. I'm doing a mid drop fade. So what I'm gonna do is drop it a little bit in the back, give it that drop effect, match his head shape. And what I'm gonna be doing is down fading. Anytime you want to get your haircut done fast, you want to use this technique. So right here I got my clipper open, sitting in my next guideline about an inch. And what you want to do is you want to set this parallel all the way around the head, but I'm just going to show y'all this left side. What you do to one side, you're going to do to the other. So if you can learn this side, you can do it on both. Okay, instead of taking that first panel out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start my down fade. I'm gonna start with my 1.5 guard closed. I'm gonna knock all this hair off that I don't need. I'm just debulking, smoothing the area out. It's my 1.5 guard closed against the grain. Going all the way up to the ridge, just smoothing this area out. You can see how it's thinning out. It's gonna make it easier to fade into. Right here I got my 1 guard open, and what I'm doing is just working my way down in guards. I'm just starting right where I left off with that 1.5 guard close, flicking out as soon as I get to that point. Right here I got my clipper halfway, just doing the same thing, just working my way down, watching the fade come together. Long as you don't take the smaller guard above the biggest guard, you should be all right. You can always go back in detail at the end if you need to. But I'm just flicking out right up under where I left off with the 1 guard open. Now I got it closed, doing the same thing, just working at this line, watching this line fade together. And what I did was I left that first panel for a reason. Sometimes if you leave that first panel to fade last, a lot of people have a hard time getting this 0 guard line out. So what I do is I sometimes leave it last to get it blended together, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Now I got my half guard on all the way open, and this is the part where I'm talking about right here. When you get to your half guard closed, is sometimes leave still a faint line. Now I got it halfway. I think it's easier to see this clipper open to that half guard closed line better. Helps you see the blend come together by leaving that first panel in. Just doing a little bit of detail work, just getting these 2 panels to blend together. See how I'm just using my corner, flicking at the line, getting the 2 panels to blend together. See that? Now what I'm gonna do is to blend the first panel out, I'm gonna work my way up into that half guard. I'm gonna start my clipper closed, just hitting the line, tapping the line. And as it go up, I'm gonna open my clipper little by little. That's the second notch. Then I go halfway and just watch it blend together. Then I go all the way open, just using my corner. Then just come back and detail it. Now you don't have that much trouble trying to blend them two panels together. You just fade up into it. Right here, the finished product. Just hitting it with the razor. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let me know if this helped y'all out. I appreciate it.